What's going on, guys? We're out here working on the car again. Before I start this video, I just wanted to thank everybody for watching the videos, even though it's not a lot, but there's always those few couple people who always click on it as soon as I upload it. So I appreciate you guys, you know who you are. But I'm currently working on getting these little snap rings, or whatever you want to call them, out of the pistons, and they're being a real pain in the ass. So basically what I'm doing is getting this real thin flathead screwdriver and just going in here and just twisting it and basically just prying these clips up. So here's one I just got. You just want to take it like that. I'm not reusing these for anything, so I don't really care if they break. Then going in with this smaller screwdriver and kind of just grabbing it and flinging it out just like that. Then I'm taking this 12mm socket, flipping it over on this side. This side still has the snap ring, but I can still pop out the wrist pin. So I'm just placing that on there, getting this soft face mallet and just popping these wrist pins out. So I'm gonna hit this one more. Kind of hard to do with one hand. There it goes. So there's our wrist pin. Then you just push this socket out. And there's our rod. So, got one more to go here, so I'm going to get that done and get back to you guys. Alright, I just got all the rods cleaned up, all wiped free of oil. Here are all the bearings that came out of them. None of them look too bad. I mean, there's some like scoring on them just from when I was popping them out, but they all look good to me. I was doing a little bit of work on the engine bay, just kind of wiping dust and grease down. I'll show you guys. I got the firewall pretty cleaned up. I don't think I'm going to paint this, I'm not sure. I painted it last year when I took the motor out, but the engine bay's pretty hammered still. You can see like a bunch of scratches there. So I'm not too sure what I'm going to do with that yet. But I did get the new compressor housing on the turbo, the polished one. So that one looks pretty sweet. I think I might try to polish this crank up and get some of those little scoring marks out. I don't think I'm going to do anything with the head. I mean, other than replace some seals and stuff like that. I showed you guys I have the new oil pump, so that one's going to be garbage. Other than that, I might paint the valve cover today if the weather lightens up, because it's drizzling right now, so that's not really going to work. But yeah, I'm basically just going to be doing some like miscellaneous stuff, cleaning up parts today. Nothing too crazy. So if I find anything interesting, I'll film that. But other than that, it's going to be a pretty boring video today, so I'm sorry about that. So let me get started cleaning up some of this stuff, and we'll get back to you guys. Alright, I got the turbo manifold all taped up, sanded down and everything. I showed you guys this already, the flame-proof header paint. I'm just going to put a light coat on here. Nothing crazy for the first coat. Alright, we'll let this dry and do. Alright guys, I just wanted to make a little update of what's going on. So basically the past couple days I've just been cleaning up parts. I painted a few things. I did the valve cover wrinkle black. That came out alright. And then the cam gears. These came out real good. I got the injectors in the fuel rail. So you can see the Deechworks 1000s. I just kind of cleaned the manifold up. I had to make a gasket for the throttle position sensor. I just put a little screen on the intake. What else did I do? Basically just cleaned up the shed a bunch. I'm still waiting to get the block back from the machine shop. I'm gonna I just scotch breaded the downpipe. I'm gonna paint that with this stuff right here, this flame-proof header paint. And also I did the wastegate dump tube. I scotch breaded that down. I'm just waiting to paint it. It's snowing out right now, so I really can't do much. Yeah, I mean that's pretty much it. I'm just gonna try to find some stuff to film just to put a video out there, but yeah, pretty boring until we get the block back. So let me see if I can figure anything out. Alright guys, I don't know if I mentioned it or not, but I saw some oil running down the intake valve stem, so I'm obviously gonna have to change the stem seals. And so here are the SuperTech springs retainers. And I don't know if I'm gonna be able to get a good shot of this, but you can see that valve is kind of hopping up and down if you wiggle it on all of these. Some are worse than others, but I think this one's pretty bad here. I'm definitely gonna need new valve guides, so that's just another thing we're gonna have to wait for. I'm gonna pop off the intake valves now and check those out, but yeah, I mean shit happens. It's just another thing that we're gonna have to order and hold us back. So let me I'm gonna show you guys how to pop out these valves an easy way. So let me flip this head back down. Alright guys, I got the bottom end of the block assembled the other day. Got all my rings, gaps, a bunch of measurements, so we're all good there. I'm just checking the crank end play right now. So I have my dial indicator on there. I'm just gonna zero this thing out. So basically we're just checking the play of the crankshaft inward and outward. So the tolerance for this is between 4/1000ths of an inch to 14/1000ths. So anywhere in between there would be okay. So I'm basically gonna get my screwdriver here, stick it in between a part of the crank and the mains, and we're just gonna flex this. So right there, you can see that's maybe like 5 2/10. So find another spot, flex it back. So yeah, it's 5/1000ths of an inch both ways. So that checks out. I'm gonna take this off, clean up this mating surface, and throw the oil pump on now that I know that that's good. So let's get to that. We got our brand new Honda oil pump on there, all torqued down. Girdles are torqued down. Got to put on the crank pulley now. I left some bolts for the oil pickup at my house, so I can't put that on right now. I have some like miscellaneous parts for the back, like little sensors and shit for the back of the block that the machine shop took out, so I'm probably gonna throw those on. Other than that, there's not really much more I can do today, so I'm gonna put this on real quick and we'll see what else we can do. Here's the other side of the motor. I had to bend the oil squirters a little bit because they were hitting on the piston. You probably aren't going to be able to see, but it was real close. So everything spins freely. Good to go. Gotta put the girdle on. I have the oil pump and the oil pickup, so you get that banged out real quick. Alright guys, I'm packed up for the day. I just wanted to show you around Drew's shop here. We got this Cobra they're working on. Check out the steering wheel on this. Working on a cage for this. Here, check out the turbo for this. It's a big 85 mil. And here's the old turbo. It's just a comp ball bearing. I'm not sure what the size is, but we got all types of goodies for this thing. Here's the intake manifold for it. It's got an intercooler built into it. The engine's right here under this bag. This thing's gonna be serious. I think they're planning on making like 1,500 or so. So yeah, that's gonna be pretty insane. Got some slicks over here for it. Got the seats. Here's the cage for it. So yeah, this thing's gonna be insane. Convertible, but he's got a hard top for it right over here, which are like really hard to find apparently. I didn't even know they existed, but yeah, he's got a ton of wheels for this thing too. He just loves collecting parts, all types of shit lying around. So yeah, I'm probably gonna get some more footage of this once they start making some progress, but this thing's gonna be insane. So yeah, I'm about to head out of the shop, so I think that's gonna be it for this video. We made pretty good progress on the motor. So yeah, just gotta do some more stuff on the head and then we should be able to get this thing slapped together. So see you guys in the next one.